We are biking to the metro stop. This is a right turn only. Kind of weird. Oh yeah, already got money. Walking to the detention center now. Today is 9/11. ICE didn't exist until 9/11 came around, so not really sure about the history of ICE in that way, but honestly it makes sense. But if ICE was there to combat terrorism, then why is it combating immigrants now? I've done nothing in this country. I'm really cutting close on the time here. Starts at 1. I have a fear of having those dreadful words said to me when I arrive. Did you just get here?
Hell yeah.
What's up, boy?
Yeah, definitely.
For 38 years, we have witnessed how the U.S. foreign policy has created conditions in Central America that has forced people to leave their homes, only to face unjust marginalization and criminalization here in the U.S.
ICE is another agency alongside the police and military responsible for violently displacing and killing our community. It is anti-black, anti-Swana, anti-brown, a xenophobic agency that has only been able to exist by fooling the American public into believing they make our streets safer.
Occupy ICE then decided to call an action to blockade the entrances and exits of the detention center. The DHS officers overwatching the protesters then decided to use physical force to move them out of the way. This then led to our first arrest of the day.
What about the safety of the people in the Free the children!
Up in the street, that's a problem. I'm glad you see that.
Oh yeah. He knows what he's doing. Don't worry about him.
You need to be careful. Okay.
Hey, let me stuff my stomach in before you take the picture. Okay, sure. This way, sir. I don't want you guys to get hurt. Gentlemen, I want you guys to get hurt. Yeah, your kids might get locked up one day.
Oh.
We got an actual Nazi! You're scum, dude!
Why are you arresting her?
Why am I being arrested?
Why are you being arrested?
For multiple instructions, she failed to comply with lawful instructions.
What were the instructions that you were given to her?
He asked me to get off twice. I heard once, so I got off and then he arrested me.
You went right to her. You blocked her off from both exits.
Here you go.
You scared of the camera or what?
Yes,
One
you're not
car
moving,
coming?
you're standing still.
How about one car?
You have to move.
Officer, what is your name?
What's that?
Can you tell us your name?
Yes, Special Agent Chapman.
And your badge number.
Okay, so thank you very much for your cooperation. I appreciate it.
Name and number or identification.
Agent Chapman.
Twice now.
Homeland Security?
You work for us.
What do you think about that?
What are you guys whispering about?
Two protesters would then decide to unlawfully blockade the entrance and exit of the detention center on Temple Street.
Abolish ICE and the police. We won't stop till the children are released. Abolish ICE.
Can you get your balls out of her face, please?
This then caused some heavy traffic on Temple Street. And then the LAPD had to be called in to make their arrest. After it was all said and done, there were 4 arrests. 1 protester received a failing to comply. The 2 other protesters got a failing to disperse and blocking a public driveway. The other protest charges are unknown. They have all been officially released.